Good morning, Lady Bosses. I wanted to come on really quick and talk about the Lady Boss Results Coaching and what it's done for me. It's helped me out so much. I'm thankful for Kaelin, for Brandon, for my coach Stephanie, and for all the Lady Boss team that have put this program together. Where should I start? Oh my goodness. I've been a Lady Boss for a year in September. I guess it was September of last year, and I did awesome. However, I wasn't holding myself accountable, and I wasn't consistent, and I'd let myself slide and made excuses, and wasn't 100%. And it's easy to do that when it's just you. I mean, I had my Lady Boss sisters that would help me, and felt guilty going to them for help when I know that they had their own issues, and to put my burdens on them, I didn't want to do that. And I know because they have a lot going on in their lives, just like I do in mine. So I wanted someone that's transparent, that could be there for me, and that knew what I needed for me. So that's why I decided to join the Lady Boss Results Coaching, so I could have someone to hold me accountable and that could help me be consistent. And I've been with the program since October 23rd. And it's been amazing. I mean, my eating has been awesome. I mean, I've make better choices. I'm thinking, like a lady boss, and no more excuses, no more, I don't allow myself, I used to have more than one cheat meal, and I was like, oh, it's okay, nobody's gonna know, nobody's holding me accountable. I would say it's okay, you can just have this, it's not gonna hurt. Well, you know what, every little bit does hurt, and it hinders my progress. And the exercise, I'd do it if I felt like it, but with Stephanie, she's holding me accountable, and just the little things that she says, I'll see you in the morning, I'll be up bright and early, I can't wait to see your post. And just the little comments like that tell me, oh, she's going to be looking out for my post, and other lady bosses as well with their comments, letting me know that my post in the mornings, because I'm the 4 a.m. person that gets up and does the cardio. It's really awesome to see that other lady bosses look forward to those posts, and that's helped me out. Never ever would even think about getting up at 4 a.m. to do my cardio, and this has really helped me stay consistent, and has helped me want to get up and do things for myself. Just my thinking alone, it's really helped me to be consistent, think about the foods that I'm eating, thinking about when I go out to eat, because there are a lot of times where we do go out to eat quite a bit, and just like my coach says, just think of it as someone that's cooking for me, that's there to cook something healthy for me, and enjoy it, have them do that for me. So just the little tips that she helps me with, design the program for me, and I have managed to, I've been at a plateau for 5 months, and just, in 4 weeks I broke that plateau and lost more weight, and lost 10 inches, and I'm still going. So that's really awesome, and just being consistent, and that's the main thing that I wanted to get out of this, is being held accountable and being consistent, because once the program's over, I want to be able to continue to do that. And who knows, maybe even after the year, it's never really going to be over. It's just going to be me being able to continue this and have someone there that can hold me accountable and be by my side, that's going to say, you know, maybe this isn't working this well, you know, you've gone so far, let's try this, or, you know, being able to change it up for me and know my likes, my dislikes, know my body type, what I like to do as far as exercise, or what I can and can't do. So just someone there by my corner, being my cheerleader, which my coach is my cheerleader. She's so awesome, Stephanie, and she's paired me with some awesome result sisters, Nancy, Leslie, Carla. You guys are amazing. You keep me going every day, and we have so much in common. We feel like we've, you know, known each other for such a long time. We communicate every single day, 2 or 3 times a day, and it's just amazing. We have become really good friends, so it's really wonderful. So if anyone is thinking about this, you know, it's life-changing. Mentally, it's so life-changing. I mean, the physical will come. It will definitely come. But the most important part of all of this is the mentality that you get out of this. It's so awesome. I don't know what to say to thank them for helping me change that mentality that I had, to be able to find myself again. Thank you.